Love is like a wind that blows to the direction is most wanted. And I feel it here.
For me, I see love to be one of the greatest gifts ever. Given to man by God. He created the opposite sex so that a thing called love can exist among them. I love you, Obiadi.
And I love you too. Even much more.
You know, I wish there was a thing greater than love. I would have seen you as it.
Well, I think the only thing that can be greater than love is Omasiri. Because I love her more than love itself.
Now you're flattering me.
I'm not flattering you. I'm as serious as the mother hen that runs after a missing child. Yes.
Then I'm missing.
Are you?
Catch me if you can.
You know I can! Come here! I told you you can run. Huh?
So you think I can run, eh?
But you cannot hide. You're still trying to run. I will catch you. Come here. Come here. Don't get lost, so I don't want to start a series. Stop. Stop running. My love. My love. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, just hold on, okay? Let me get something to apply on it. Huh? All right?
Oh, wait. What do you know that you want to apply on it? Just help me home. I'll take care of it once I get home.
Listen, my late mother taught me how to use the O for relief. All right? It stops the bleeding at once. And that's the most important thing now.
Okay, please go.
Just hold on, eh? I'll be right back. Hold it. Apply pressure on it.
I wonder what I would have done if you had not come to my rescue.
Actually, I was just passing by through this path to see my land I bought over there. Then I noticed you.
You mean you don't stay in this village?
No, I don't. I live in the city.
Okay. What is your name, if you don't mind?
My name is Madu Abuchi, but my friends call me Madu for short. Now if I may ask, what's yours?
My name is Omasiri, but my friends call me Oma.
Oma.
Oh, that's my friend, Obiadi, Madabuchi. He helped me in your absence.
Hi.
So all this was a dream. This was a dream. Papa, welcome.
Thank you very much. I'm back.
How was the meeting?
Oh, it went well. But I'm seriously hungry. Did you make anything for your father to eat?
Yes, I made food for you.
Eh.
Let's go in so I can serve you.
Thank you very much. Let's go.
Okay. Welcome back. I hope the meeting went well.
endless love. Yeah. This is endless love. This is endless love. Oh. This is endless love. Going to eternity. This is endless love. Oh, this is endless love. No matter what the circumstance, it never wavered. No matter what the obstacles, it never stops. Endless love. This is endless love. Oh yeah. Manamado, manamo. Oh, manamado, manamo. Endless love. This is endless love. Endless love. Yeah. This is endless love.
Oh, Marcel! Wait. Are you still washing this same plate I left for the market or something else?
Yes, mate.
It's in yes in there. You are mad. You are obviously so stupid and useless. Now tell me what you have been doing since I left for the market. What more you saw?
I was doing other house chores.
You said you were doing other house chores from where? To where? Yeah? I said tell me what you have been doing.
I was doing other house chores. I'm
What's in there?
I'm sorry.
Who is in there? Come on, keep down your hand. I am not your name. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
I am not your name and will never be your name. How can you look at me and think I will be that your wayward, stupid, useless mother that died from waka about? It is her waywardness that killed her. And you want me to be that your mother? I can never be your mother. Stupid, useless, senseless girl. No. Wash the plate so I can cook with it. Wash the plate and don't waste my time. Useless girl from a useless mother. Just look at her. How can somebody be washing plate and be smiling? Are you not mad? You are mad. Obviously very stupid. Yeah? Let me tell you, if I go in and come out and you are still washing this plate, you will regret the day that your useless mother gave birth to you. Idiot. Animal. Come on, look at me, Oyster. Do I look like a wakaba? I will wakaba like your mother. No. I can never be. I can never be.
Endless love. Yeah. This is endless love. This is endless love. Oh. This is endless love. Going to eternity.
Obiadi.
This is endless love.
Obi. Obiadi.
Endless love. No matter what the circumstance.
Obiadi. Obi, I'm here now.
No matter what the obstacles, it never stops. Endless love.
Only God knows how long I've been here, waiting for you. You didn't come to school today. Neither did you bother to hear from me. I thought I would meet you here, like we agreed. But no, you're not here. Anyways, I'm leaving now. But just know that I still love you. And my love for you can never be compromised for anything. Your one and only love.
Imani if I wanna get rim nenu agamengegi kiburun kemo love mo if I wanna dig him manu come get me makani bun kemo.
You not told me how this song tastes.
Yes, I can see it. It's close.
Come get me.
But I hope you.
Dance for me.
Enjoy
Dance
your
for
meal.
me. Me bengala. I'm a lechamo.
Good afternoon, Papa. Oh, my son, you're welcome. Thank you, Papa. Wait, son. Papa. What is it by the time? The time? Yes. Papa, it should be like past 3 by now.
Why is it that you always come back from school late these days?
Well, Papa, it's our extramural classes. Yes. You know we are preparing for our WAEC exams, which is coming up very soon. So, the school authority actually wants to prepare us very well so that we can pass with flying colors.
That's good.
Yes, Papa.
That's very good. I think it's better.
Yes, Papa. Can I go inside now, Papa?
Oh, you're free. You can go.
Thank you, Papa.
Eat your food. At this stage, is going to go back to repeat of the last year. That's good.
You fed it to me, Papa.
My child, you fed it to me.
Papa.
Keep your there. I know you are here to look for your baby.
Yes, Papa, is it in?
No, it's nothing. Hope all is well.
All is well.
All is not well. But I know when you see him, everything will be well.
How do you know, Papa?
Don't ask me how I managed to know. But I will relay your message to him when he returns.
Okay, Papa, thank you.
Thank you.
I'll be on my way now.
I just be on your way. Oh, Moazi. Children of nowadays. Everything in life, get the time and season. So I need not to ask why. You go Palo or that. Where is Omasi, by the way?
It's Omasi.
Yeah, where is she?
Nan,
Yes.
you can't believe that this girl I sent to fetch water for me. Erototo. You can't believe that up till now, she's not yet back.
What's keeping her then?
It's what's keeping her.
Yes.
Don't you ask her when she comes back? Imagine what's keeping her. How will I know? Did I tell you that I want to fetch water with her?
Oh, are you sure you did not send her on an awkward message?
Meaning what? No, Ibiakwa.
You may not remember.
Ibiakwa,
Such, yeah.
I don't understand. What do you mean by awkward message? How? Meaning what is it? How could I? No, I don't understand.
It's all right. It's okay. I won't want you to belabor so much on this. It's okay for now. Huh? I'll look into that.
I don't understand you, Nine.
It's
Instead
okay,
of
I
addressing
said.
the issue the way it is, you will now start asking me awkward message. How did I send her an awkward message?
Hey,
or what? I
no,
don't
ma,
understand.
you don't want me to eat this food or what? If
Of
you don't
course
want
I
to
want
eat,
you.
don't want me to eat. You carry it. Go and eat.
Of course, I was not the one that served you. I served you food.
So
Instead of
go
eating
so I
the
can
food,
eat.
you now start telling me about awkward message. How?
What is wrong in that? You may have sent her on an errand.
But I did not send her. I only asked her to go and fetch water. How can you not twist
Then
it?
leave that matter for now. Let me eat.
So eat. My own is inside. Eat the food.
Yeah.
Papa,
Amasi was here
when?
a moment ago. She came with a gallon and I'm sure she's going to the stream to fetch water.
Excuse me, Papa.
Come back here.
Huh, Papa?
Where are you going to?
I need to see her.
But you're still breaking the fire.
Papa, I will continue when I return. I need to see her now.
On your mommy, Mary Maram, I won't charam ni, a rapulamo.
My love, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. My love.
You started me.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my love. How are you?
I was at your place. I was still that you're not at home.
Yes, I went to get an axe, with which I will use in breaking the firewood I got yesterday. How are you? We need to talk. Huh? Maybe we should go to somewhere around. Maybe our usual place.
No, I can't.
Why?
Even if I will, I would have to go drop this water at home. If not, my stepmother will skin me alive.
I understand. Okay. What do you suggest? If you take the water back home, would you still have the chance to come out?
Why not? If I have the chance, why not?
In that case, let's fetch the water and get you home. So, if I did not come now, I will know you will spend hours here. The stream is quite low.
Dance for me.
I think this is enough. Where is your Aju?
Will you marry me? I'm gonna marry you. I want to marry you. Marry you. I did not be more on your Murananya. Mebele Mongala. Ebo Masirichu Madwa Pugina Ramgie. Love me.
How many more times?
Hey, listen.
Huh?
Let me kick it off from here. Kicking off from here. Come and see me.
Dalu, well done.
You know, just take it from here.
But I was going to take you all the way home.
Okay.
Alright. So does that mean I should go back and wait for you at our usual place?
Yes.
Please, don't keep me waiting.
Yes.
Alright, let me help you. Is it comfortable?
No, it's not.
Oh, wait. Is it balanced?
Yeah.
Is it balanced? Okay. Alright, now be careful.
I'll come.
Please don't keep me waiting.
Love me. On your mommy. Mary Maram, I won't charam ni. I rap lemon.
Now we're done.
Masirimo Imani Masirimo If I wanna get rim nenu agame
I thought you would not come.
5 minutes. Who's after I disappointed you last time?
Yes.
Got you letter.
That's after I waited for so long without seeing you. I had to write it.
If someone else has seen it.
No one else would have seen it. No one else knows about this place but us.
You have to be sure.
And no, please. Let's talk about why you did not come to school. Sit down. Don't tell me it's because of your stepmother again.
Who else if not that wicked woman? Nothing I do ever pleases that woman. I'm like a plague to her. Sometimes I feel like running away. But what do I know?
What has your father done about it? Huh?
He's barely at home. He leaves for he's always busy with his security job and sometimes comes back the next morning.
Come to think of it, why does that woman hate you so much? And I've been meaning to ask, how come she has not had a child for your father up till now?
She once had a child, my brother Martin.
What happened to him?
He died. And since then, God has refused to give her another child. Maybe because of her wickedness.
It's alright, my life. It's okay. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. I can assure you that. It's okay. This too shall pass.
My main worry sometimes is that she might leave me for someone else.
Eh? Banana. Why would you say such a thing? What? Why would I do that? Who told you that? Look, I will never leave you for anything in this world. You're my love. You're the only one I see. The only woman in my life. You mean everything to me. So please don't say that again.
Please don't. If not, I will kill myself if you leave me.
No, you will not. Because I will not leave you. Because I love you.
She's back. Oh, this girl is back and kept her jerrycan of water here for me. Everything. Without taking them inside. Oh, my silly! Okay. Well, Naija, I am here waiting for you. Go and come back. EJ, no problem. Racha must come back.
Promise me you'll not leave me like that.
Obi, I've already promised you. I will not leave you. Okay, what else you want me to do to assure you that I will never leave you? Just say it, I'll do it. Anything. Anything whatsoever.
Then let's take an oath.
Huh? What oath?
A blood oath never to part ways.
Huh. Oma, are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
If it pleases you, let's do it.
Okay. If I ever leave you, Obiadi, let my day turn night. Okay, your turn.
This is endless love. Going to eternity. This is endless love. This is endless love.
Where are you from? Honestly, where are you coming from? Did I ask you to do that? On your man in our boss, so when nothing is pursuing her. Did I ask you to do that? Where are you coming from? Where did you go to?
I went to collect notebook from Amaka. You know, I did not go to school the other day, so I went to go and copy the one they wrote.
Oh, that was what you did, eh? But let me the notebook. Let me see the notebook you collected.
When I got to their compound, I was told that she was not around and that she went out.
Ezioku. Omasele. Omasele. Omasele, how many times did I call you?
3 times.
3 times. 3 good times. So you're looking right into my eyes and you're lying.
Hey, and Mama, how can I lie to you? How can I lie to a woman I call my mother? And I'm not lying.
So you're telling me the truth? You're telling me the truth of myself. So badly. I'm coming. Okay, 1 hour. I'm coming. Where's Omasile?
Omasile? She didn't come here today.
No, she was supposed to be here.
Is she missing or something?
I don't know. She's not missing, but she was supposed to borrow notebook from you to copy since she didn't go to school. You know, I said no, not Reba.
No, not Reba. She's not here. She didn't come. I didn't even see her.
Are you sure?
I am very sure.
Omasile or Reba?
Yes. Wow. I've not seen her since today. I feel better.
What was it? Are you serious? No, are you sure?
I am sure, man. I've not seen her since morning. I was even meaning to come find out why she didn't come to school today. Because we had a quiz without her. Kevin was back.
Ezioku.
I don't know. I didn't see her.
I don't understand. Omasile, are you telling me that you are staying home all alone without Omasile?
Yes.
Omasile did not come to visit you?
She didn't come today. Since morning I went to school. I didn't even see her. I didn't see her. Hey.
It's okay. It's alright.
Okay.
Everything is fine. Eh? Let me take my leave. When your parents come back, can I learn fast Subadri?
No. No.
Oh, give me
I hope there is no problem. Where did you go? Your stepmother came here looking for you and... Save it! Because I heard everything. I thought you were my friend. You could not even cover up for me. Cover you up. When you didn't brief me about anything again. But you should have known better. You should know better than like you are a bait to cover up my unavailability. Sorry for what? Sorry for what when the deed has been done? See, I couldn't help it. I just had to tell her the truth. Knowing who she is. See, I don't want her troubles. That's why. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. I guess it's my cross. I have to carry it for you. Excuse me. Oma, Siri! Oma! Oma, come now! Oh, it's not my fault. She didn't tell me.
Ama silly. Can I come? Ama silly. Hey, just let this out. Where are you? Ama silly. Where is this girl? Where is this girl? Ama silly. So she left this house again. As soon as Najebata. What about you? I want to borrow a book. I copied notes. Close it. Never. Yeah, I told you. Liar. Sorry for what? Sorry for your head. I told you. You are looking right into my eyes and I'm off here. Come on, kneel down here also. Kneel down, you won't kill me.
I'm sorry.
Kneel down. Let that sorry kill you. You lied. I told you. I told you.
Bobby, Adi, you're joking, I know.
Why would I be joking with something as serious as an oath? It's not a joke.
Bobby, Adi, if this is true, then you have ruined your life.
How?
Because blood oath taking is something ancient. Nobody does that anymore. It's ancient, bro.
I did it for love. I love Omasiri so much. If that was the only way I could secure my future with her, I'm very, very proud of doing it.
And you think the only way is to take an oath with her? You think that's the only way to show your love for her?
I was blinded by love, and I'm still blinded by love.
Okay, hold on a second. Have you told your father this?
Why would I tell my father? Or anybody else for that matter? Listen. No one is supposed to know. I'm only telling you because you're my best friend. And as my best friend, you're supposed to know everything that I'm doing. You know well enough not to share my secret.
Obiadi, this is really ridiculous, I must say. It's ridiculous. I mean, if you don't...
See my niggas here. Bro, how far?
I see you.
How about you?
Obiora.
Brother,
You don't define us for that side.
I don't tell you, I don't search everywhere they look for now.
I bring extra seat.
Yeah, wow. You are Sunday, Papa. I don't forget me. No good. I believe you, sir.
How do we?
No, I'm just look like. I'll see you soon.
Correct guy. Bad guy. You don't treat us here. Bad guy.
This book high. I be give it to the plan.
No, not at all. No,
Oma, don't you trust me again? Why are you hiding things from me? What happened to you? This is serious. Okay. Did you have a fight with a friend? Was it something at home? I have a feeling your stepmother is responsible for this. Why are you not talking? Oma.
That's Copper. The new one, she's around. Lecture time, class time. Yeah.
What are you two doing here? My friend, get inside. I'm about to start classes and you're here.
This is endless love. Going to eternity. This is endless love. This is endless love. No matter what the circumstance.
I've been looking for you. What happened to you? Why do you have bandage on your hair?
No matter what the
This is a mystic accident. domestic accident, you say? What kind of domestic accident is that?
I mistakenly hit my head.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you've taken proper medication because head injuries are usually treated well.
Yes,
Alright. Please be fine. Alright, take care of yourself. Thank you.
Shuma, what is it? I'm not gassing. Must have been correct. Cheta, wait for me right here. I'll be right back. Just don't move. I'm coming right back. I'm coming back.
Don't waste time, oh. Are you defining this?
This is endless love.
Oma, why didn't you tell the biology teacher the truth?
What truth?
That the injury you sustained was inflicted on you by your stepmother.
And that you caused it, perhaps.
How? Oma, I don't understand you. Tell him the truth.
Tell who? Which truth?
Wait.
Daddy.
Mama, I was looking all over for you in the school. Everywhere. You didn't tell me you were leaving.
I had to leave because I need to go and take my treatment. You know it's always by this time.
I understand. But at least you should have told me you were leaving. Do you know how far and wide I had to search all over the school? I had to go through this way because I know you'll be on our track. Huh?
I'm sorry.
It's fine, it's fine. Oh my God. I mean, this is unbelievable. How can a woman do this to another woman? Huh? How? Is it because you are young and naive and cannot retaliate? Eh?
Oh, Daddy, I cannot remember telling you anyone did this to me. Oh,
Please don't even cover up. Don't cover up for her. You told me. I know it was your stepmother that did this to you. That woman will meet her match one day. I assure you that. Yes.
okay. I have to be on my way now.
Let me walk you with you now. Okay. Bye-bye. Are you sure you don't want me to walk with you?
No, I'll see you later.
Please be careful.
I will. No.
Bye.
Bye.
This boy goes. Ha! Imagine this boy. Look at someone I just told right now to wait for me right here. And the next minute he has gone. Cheta! Cheta! Cheta!
Listen, of all the girls in our class, you're the only one I love. Eh? I love you because of your neatness and your calmness. You're so beautiful. Please now, give me a chance. I really want to be your man. Eh, Bikono, please.
What you're asking of me is really beyond me. I don't want to deceive you, Jetta. Neither do I want you to be deceived. So, I don't want to have anything to do with you or anyone else.
But the question is, why? Why? Why don't you want to have anything to do with me?
Really?
Yes.
My education is very important to me, and that I must face first. I must face first. If you don't mind, I would love to be excused.
Ma'am, don't go now. Why are Calabar girls is difficult? Hey, ma'am, come back now. Come back. I love you. Eh?
How can you be telling a girl that you're just wooing for the first time that you love her already? Eh?
Obiadi.
It seems the girl doesn't like you. She doesn't like you.
Wait. Obiadi.
Yes.
I hope you didn't hear anything. Like my conversation with the girl. Did you hear anything?
No. I didn't hear anything. Okay. Come on, let's go. I will tell you what to do to win her over.
Really?
That is if you really want her.
Ha!
Yes.
This is the part I want to hear.
Yeah.
Wait, Obiadi. Tell me, what must I do? You know I'm not a pro like you when it comes to things like this.
What do you mean? What I'm about to tell you to do is very simple.
Why are you wasting time?
But when you do it, you see that girl? She will be all over you.
Hey!
Her heart will be pumping.
Like this.
Poco.
Hey!
In love with you. Cheta.
She will be screaming my name,
Cheta.
Obi-Mo.
Cheta, take me.
Take me away.
I'm all yours.
To the moon and back. Hey!
Cheta, take me away.
Hey! To
Cheta,
the moon.
I love you.
To the skies and back.
You won't even have to tell her I love you anymore. Do you know what you have to do?
It will work.
Of course, it will work.
I can't wait. Please tell me. Tell me, what am I going to do?
Now, pay attention. I'm about to give you the true key to the game of love.
I can't wait, Obiadi. Tell me, my ears are itching to hear what you want to say.
Let it itch no more.
Okay.
For you are about to hear the most beautiful thing you would do to win her over.
Prophet Obiadi.
Cheta,
what is it?
Both of you, you and that beautiful girl, will take an oath. An oath of love. Never to leave each other again. Cheta, you promise that girl you will never break her heart. That you will never see another woman above her, beneath her. She will be the only one. She will promise you the same thing, and both of you will take a bond that will hold you forever. Do it, and she's all yours.
Obiadi, me.
Exactly.
Take an oath. I'm not you. Mba. It will not work. I can never take an oath. Really? Not in this life. Not in the next one. Me. Ha! Me that cannot stay with one girl.
Oh!
Me. Take an oath.
I wish she heard it. Maybe I should call her back to hear what you just said.
But I cannot take an
Listen,
oath.
let me tell you the truth. Girls like this, when they fall in love, they fall deep. Very deep. Deep.
Like deep down.
And you cannot afford to play with her heart. Make a promise that you will never leave her and she will never leave you. That is what I have to tell you. The only thing you have to do for the sake of love.
Take an oath.
Let's go.
To take an oath? Yes. Mba kwao. It will not work. It cannot work. I will not take an oath. God knows I cannot take an oath.
I will tell her that you love too many women.
I told you I would be going back to school today.
Oh, I almost forgot. You know what? Just send me your bank details, okay? I'll transfer enough money that will take you through the semester.
Thank you very much for that. Thank you.
Anything else?
No, nothing else. Nothing.
Okay. I'll see you when I get back.
Okay, brother. Thank you. Bye.
So, what are your plans after our upcoming examination?
Well, I intend to further my education. But Before then, I will travel to Lagos and hustle for money so that I can come and pay your bride price.
No, you will not, Obiadi.
Okagini, why?
Paying my bride price should not be the problem now. You need this money to further your education and also take care of your aged father. Don't worry. Don't worry about me. I'll wait for you.
Are you sure?
Yes. I know that you are scared that someone else will take me away. But don't worry. I will be here waiting for you.
Muslim, you're a godsend to my life. I cannot love you less. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'll make you proud.
Where is this girl? Does she not know that she was supposed to join us at this farm after school?
Exactly.
Still, she's not here.
Exactly. I was even thinking whether you sent her on a different errand from school. Was it supposed to? Yes.
How can I send her to any errand when I'm expecting her to bring water or even food for us here? Send her on an errand. Since morning we have been working here. Because I am thirsty. I'm thirsty. Let me go and look for water to drink. Because
please get me something.
I'll be back now. No.
Oh, I just wish the birds could sing for us right now.
Oh my goodness.
What? What is it?
Time is fast spent. I need to get going before I get into trouble.
No. You're not getting into any trouble. Look, let's just spend some little more time. Just a little bit more.
No. I was supposed to accompany my parents to the farm today, but...
Wait a minute. I thought you said your father works as a security guard in a post office.
Yes, he does. But that does not stop him from owning a farm, or does it? He always goes to the farm during his off days, and today is one of them.
Yeah, I see your point. Okay, we'll go. But promise me, you and I will spend enough time tomorrow together.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Endless life.
The birds were about to start. At this juncture, I know what you want to say.
I'll see you later. Oh?
Okay. Be careful. Wait! Are you not forgetting something?
What?
Of course! Alright. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
The bush. Come on, Selim, in the up. This one. Hey! Huh? Listen. Hey, Clever. Won't stop there. Keep that business to yourself because I'm not interested. I am not one bit interested in that your stupid, useless greetings. So you have been the one deceiving my innocent daughter all this while.
But I don't understand.
How can you understand it? I don't even expect you to understand. How can you understand when all your mates are all married or perhaps working in the city, making good monies for themselves and for their families? You know, they're still in secondary school. As if that is not enough for you. You keep taking young girls to the bush, looking for whose daughters to destroy. Eh?
Mama, please, don't insult me. Eh? Don't insult me. If there was money early enough for me to go to school, will I be here listening to all these things you're telling me? Eh? Will I be here?
E.T. Pataka, that's what I said you are. And what if you're bush love? Because even if we gathered all the money in this village, Case Guy School, you will not succeed. You know why? You've sold your brain out for bush love. But let me sound this as a warning to you. Next time I will see you and each close to myself. You will not comprehend what I will do to you. Because I will so deal with you. Go on. Ajife.
Calm down. I know you're angry with me, but you need to understand something. Mama Sri and I love each other so much. We are so in love, Mama. I mean, Mama, we have a bond.
Shut up! Mr. Bond. James Bond of our nation. James Bond of this village. All he knows is James Bond, though. Spell James Bond. You can't spell it. I told you don't know anything about love. Eh? What love? Now Bond that you said you had with my daughter. Let me tell you, I'm just telling you, warning you now. Stay away from my daughter. Stay away from her. Because you won't like what I will do.
Mama, please. You are not my father, neither are you my mother. So you cannot order me around.
Let me not see you close to my daughter.
Mama, I am sorry.
Brainless
I will not
animal.
leave her. I will not leave her.
Oh, you might rap here.
Okay, I will not leave her, Mama. You just have to accept it.
You might rap here.
I love your daughter.
It's the name I rap here. It's the name Just Born. Just Born. I don't say Just Born. Just Born way here by idiots. You won't leave my daughter up here. Don't worry. This village will answer to both of us. It will answer to both of us. I don't blame you. It's so Muslim that I blamed. Open our chicken and look we are together. Will you take her to the bush? No. No problem.
Asị na mmadụ nkọ enwere isi nke nwere isi adịrọ nkọ. What is going on? Talk about Omasiri. I didn't see Omasiri. No matter just left for ordinary water has not come back. Is it not better I go looking for water myself?
Obiadi, my son. Papa, you've been moody since you got back from school. What is the problem? Did anything bad happen in school?
No, Papa. No. Everything is fine.
You have not even touched your food. This is unlike you. Are you sure all is well?
Papa, all is well. Yes, Papa. I will get over whatever that is disturbing me, whatever that is troubling me. I will get over it. I can assure you that. Yes, Papa. I'll get over it very soon. I assure you that, Papa. Yes, Papa.
It's okay, if you say so.
So, my friends, this is it, huh?
If you get
I will send you to school, do everything, save money to send you to school. Then you will end up moving in with another man.
Also not moving in.
Eh?
You are any more fair with one stupid useless animal like that. Moving in what?
No, Papa. That is just a friend.
Also not just a friend.
You just a friend, that's what you say?
Shut up! I saw everything, idiot. Just a friend.
No. She is just a friend, you said? Huh?
Please. No, because you want us to see her. No, that be fair.
Friend.
That be fair, be fair.
Is that not what you say? Alright. We shall see. I'll get to find out. I'll get to find out.
Biko.
Look at that.
Just look at what you're doing to yourself. Bush lover. Inside the bush. Your mates are entering houses. You are entering. If I dropping money to the me, you are very lucky that your father is in a good mood. Otherwise, he would have skinned you alive. Anyway, Ikamu and I will continue. Maybe not just pay you on this road.
Obiadi, my son, your food is still here. Why don't you eat a little, at least before it gets cold?
Papa, like I said before, I am not in the mood for food now. But when I'm ready to eat, I will eat, Papa. I will eat. But for now, I don't want to eat. I'm not in that mood. As a matter of fact, Papa, I want to be left alone. Please excuse me. I'll see you later.
Obiadi.
Papa, I'll see you later.
Where are you going to?
Papa, I'll be back soon.
Hey.
Now, Denzel, where's your son? You heard me. Where is your son? I want to see him now.
Ozo, why are you looking for my son with so much enthusiasm? Sit down.
Hey, I didn't come to sit.
No.
I said I'm not sitting down. Can't you hear me?
Okay, I heard you.
Now I'm very well. I have come to warn your son. Tell him to stay away from my daughter. Let him stop seeing my daughter, because next time I will even hear about that, I am going to cut off his 2 legs. Even that his 3rd leg, I'll cut it and feed it to the dogs. You do get that?
Please, calm down. It's your dogs. We are not enemies. Calm down. Can you tell me what the problem really is?
Well, even though I won't like to, but like I did say, I am sounding a note of warning to you. Because I have just been fed. I have just got to know that he has been disturbing my daughter from school. Doesn't allow her to concentrate anymore. And that I detest. Warn him. Warn him. Let him leave my daughter alone. All right? My daughter cannot concentrate anymore in school. And you know, she is soon facing her final examinations. That's okay. Because any other day, I will see him or hear that he has continued. I'll teach him a lesson of his life. Did you get that? Did you get that?
No, I will get that.
Tell him, warn him. This will serve as a warning. A very last warning. We have him. Let him try it next time.
What did he see in the club?
What are you going to do now that giving advice to stay with him?
I don't know. Just confused. I'm confused.
I think I have an idea.
What idea? I'm listening.
I think you need to give her a break.
Cheta? You too?
Yes. You asked for my opinion, so that's what I think.
Yeah, I asked for your opinion, but not what you just suggested, because you know that it's impossible. It cannot hold water. It's not. It's not possible. It can't happen. Ha.
You had better start thinking.
Please, enough with your suggestion and your idea. You clearly don't have any good idea for me. I should give her some room.
Just a break, and then later on you can pick up. But for now, or do you want that man to cut off your neck? You know how wicked the father is. I'm just saying, for your own good.
You know, one thing I've not been able to place is why my sadness is the source of her joy. She has practically turned my father's heart away from me. Now they have stopped me from seeing Obiadi.
Oma, I am sure all they want is the best for you. Before Obiadi gets you pregnant.
Did you say pregnant?
Yes, my sister. Haven't you heard the saying that men of nowadays, all they want is that thing between your legs. And once they get it, they move on to the best and available person.
Yes, but certainly not Obiadi. He has not even kissed me, let alone attempting to touch me.
Why?
Just close your eyes and come down.
Why?
Just close your eyes.
Oh man, okay. My eyes are closed. What is it you want to do? Oma, what are you trying to do?
It was just a harmless kiss, nothing more.
I know. But we agreed not to rush into it. Oma, we have time for this and every other thing. But for now, we have to hold ourselves.
Obiadi, I'm a woman.
And I'm a man. Men need this more, actually. But I chose to hold myself because I don't want us to defile ourselves before we are legally married. Please, let's hold ourselves, please. I'm sorry. Oma, I didn't mean to hurt you. Please. I just want the best for both of us. I don't want us to make mistakes. I just need to be a little bit more patient. Please. I want it as much as you do. Even much more. But it's forever. So why rush? It's okay. Small thing, you will just be frowning your face.
So you see, it was with this assurance that made me take the oath to him. Because men like him are rare to find. Obiadi is every woman's dream man. I'm going to tell you that.
I am speechless.
I know you will be.
Believe me, I am.
I know.
Hi ladies, how are you two doing?
We are fine, thank you. Amaka, I have to start going now before they start looking for me. I'll see you later.
I hope you're not leaving because of me.
Absolutely not, sir. You know, I was about leaving before you came. Excuse me. Okay, I will see you later, okay? I will see you later.
Why is your friend leaving? I guess she doesn't want to talk to me.
Obviously, sir. You can talk to me. I'm here for you. Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Amaka.
Amaka. And your friend? What's her name?
She's Omasiri.
Omasiri. Is she from this village?
Yes. Mazuzo's daughter.
Mazuzo.
I don't think you know him, sir. You don't know him.
Oh, really?
Yes. Well, she's from this village.
It's okay. See. Look at you. Mama. Mama, how's everything? Thank you very much. You too, Mama. You're looking good. Eh? Look at the baby. What about you? Are you not fine? Eh? Look at the baby. Say I'm fine. Look at your skin. Mama, how's everything now?
God has been awesome, my son.
How's the village? How's everybody?
Everybody is fine.
I can
Everybody
see that,
is
Mama.
fine.
So good to see you again.
I can hear my son.
Hey, Berry, please have this, eh? Open the boot. The luggage is close to the boots for you and Mama. Bring them down, yes. And please, the other ones, be careful with them. They're fragile.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Yes.
No, yeah.
The one close to the boots is for you and Mama. Mama, say the thing now. Thank you very much. Mama, soup is so delicious.
I told you would like it.
Why
It's
you-
your favorite now.
Of course it is. Why you nodding your head as if you're the one that made it?
So that, why are you doing as if I don't cook in this house now?
I'm not saying you don't cook. Okay, sorry, assistant cook. I'm sorry.
She can cook, oh, she can cook. So my son eats. How is your sister Nkechi?
Nkechi? She's fine.
Because she told us she was in your house in the city before she left for school.
Oh, yes. She's correct.
Okay.
She actually came to spend the weekend in my house. She's doing good.
Okay. Thank you. She told us how you have been helping her financially. My God will bless you.
Amen.
She's my younger sister, remember? If I don't cater for her, who will? Who? I'm just doing my job, Mama. Don't tell me thank you, eh? And remember, I'm the only father she has now. That father is no more. So just allow me to do my job. There's no need thanking me or... You understand what I'm trying to say?
I understand, my son, eh? But all the same, thank you. Thank you. It's not easy, my son. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. So there's no need to thank me, Mama. I'm doing my job.
I understand. I understand. But all the same, eh? Thank you very much.
Okay, Mama. You're welcome.
Just enjoy your food.
I'm
enjoy
done.
It now, eh?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
You can come and take this one, eh?
But this soup is sweet too.
Just don't worry.
She said that I even remember chicken.
Yes. Carry it now. I actually had some snacks on my way to the village, so. Mama, I came back to the village for 2 reasons. Yes. First, to see how I can renovate this house and change some of the things in it. The chairs in the sitting room and other places in the house. Yes. And also to see how I can build a very beautiful house in this village.
Eh?
Yes, Mama. Because as a man, I believe I am supposed to have a house in the village. If I don't, it doesn't make me feel like a man.
Hey! Ew.
Secondly, I know this might interest you. I also came back to the village to search for a wife.
Hey! Hey! Nah. Mama, see this second one? Hi, I'm very, very interested.
I'm married.
That one, Tom, sweet. You know, married. I want you to get my marriage. I was beginning to wonder why you have not settled down with all the money you have made.
Thank you for everything. You see, I was just trying to put 1 or 2 things in place before I think of getting married.
Hey.
Anyway, here I am. Your son is ready to get married now.
Good. This call for celebration.
Mama, celebration.
We will celebrate it.
Of course.
And I shall look for a very beautiful girl, very good one for you to marry. Chai!
We are married.
But on the contrary, allow me to search for that befitting wife material myself. So I think I'll like it that way.
Brother, yours believe.
Okay, no problem, if that is what you want.
That's fine.
Any girl you choose, anyone at all you choose, I will support you. As long as she's from this village.
Of course. She will definitely be from this village. That's not the reason I came back.
Good. Let me just keep my fingers crossed, eh?
Okay.
In fact, you're finding one. Let's see. Brother, hey!
Yeah, you're a big boy. You're a big man, in short. House, marriage, renovate. Only you.
Your brother's
Hey!
No,
Brother, that's Mama has been disturbing me in this house when you're not around, though.
Your mama got around.
Love me,
Good afternoon, Papa.
You're welcome. Wait, come back. Come, I want to talk to you. My son, Mazuza was here earlier today. He came here to warn you to stay away from his daughter.
Was that all he said?
Yes. You see, Mazuza is like a viper. She doesn't look for trouble, but if you look for his trouble, he can be very dangerous. My son, I want you to distance yourself from his daughter. We have beautiful girls in this community, even outside. You can mingle with any of them, but please try and distance yourself from that girl, Omaseri. Please, I beg you.
Okay, Papa. Okay, Papa, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Can I go in now and rest?
You can go, you're free.
Babara megwi nanya.
Omaseri. Omaseri. Are you awake?
Ready? I go marry you. I want to marry you. Marry you.
I could not sleep, knowing that my father must have stopped you from seeing me.
My love, I couldn't sleep either. All I had was the memory of your beautiful face in my mind. I love you so much, Omaseri.
I love you too. Now that I've seen you, I can sleep.
Same here. Same here. I love you so much.
Honestly, so this is what you do. Eh? You are having a man in my house. I will deal with you. By tomorrow you will hear from me. Stupid, senseless, useless girl. Not to talk of this good for nothing thing that calls himself a man. I will deal with you. I'm off here.
That woman is wicked and heartless. You won't believe that evil woman poured her smelling urine on me. Eh? What is funny?
Everything of your idea. See, I want you to give that girl a break. But you wouldn't listen. Now look at it. Look at it. See, whatever those people do to you, I don't blame it on you. Because you caused it. I warned you. But your stubbornness will not let you let her be. Now you've seen it.
If I had my way, I would have eloped with her to a place no one else will ever find us.
You want to elope with Omasiri? Uzo's daughter. Hey! If you try that, you know what, just by yourself, for yourself like that, take yourself to the police station and choose a very nice cell where you be. Because that is where the man will put you. Oh. How can you elope with somebody's daughter and you expect to go free? It's not possible. They will sure arrest you, my brother. So just erase it from your mind completely, totally.
Oh, please come off it. He wouldn't dare do such.
Okay, go and carry out your threat. Then you will see what will happen. that man can do and undo. I know him. I'm just imagining the smell. That woman's urine will be so smelly. Without her EK like that, if she deposits urine on you, just imagine how it will be. Hey! Because of the woman urine. Hey!
Love me. Angu madam mi kie arabonamo ebo masele chuku madwa puina ramgie love mo.
Good morning, beautiful. How are you?
Very well, sir.
You left without telling me your name yesterday.
I thought I did. My name is Oma Seri, but you can call me Oma.
Oh, I see. Oma Seri.
Yes, sir. Can I go now?
Oh, no. You see, I'm going to take a little of your time, okay? Yes, my name is Madobuchi, and I'm an indigenous of this village. At the same time, a very successful businessman based in Lagos. I actually came back to the village in search of a woman I'll get married to. Yes, somebody I can get married to. And
that's lovely, sir. But I don't think I'm the best person you should be telling this.
Meaning?
Because I'm not interested in hearing them.
Really? I haven't said anything yet. Okay, now that you said this, let me use the opportunity to tell you what I wanted to say. As a matter of fact, when I saw you, I liked you. Yes. And if you don't mind, I would like to be my wife. I really want to get married soon.
Yes, I mind. Because I am not available. Neither am I interested or ready for marriage now. Excuse me.
I can't believe it. I thought village girls would be very, very happy to get married to a man in the city. But she has refused. There must be something about her.
That reminds me. Remember that man that we saw yesterday? The one you left both of us with, sir. Of course I remember him. I saw him on my way to the stream today. I thought that he was going to ask me for something meaningful, maybe a direction, you understand, or something. Guess what this man asked him? He said that he likes me and he wants to make me his wife. It's a lie. Ha! Oma, tell me you are joking. How can I joke with something like this? Of course I'm serious now. You are serious? Yes, so. Hey! Lucky you then. My friend, I am so happy for you. That guy is very handsome. He is every woman's dream. Guess what? I got to know that he is the only son of Agnes, who went to abroad and came back with so much money. Not only that, I also heard that he had chains of businesses in Lagos. Any woman who marries that guy, hey, she's out of poverty.
never go back. Yes, I mean it though. I mean it, my sister. Of course I mean it.
I was even thinking you would be interested. Never knew it.
You see, you are so lucky. If I were you, I will not only accept the offer. I will grab it with my full chest. And after that, I will go and meet Father Monso. Yes, I will give out my gift.
You know what, Amaka? Let us fetch this our water here and start going home.
I said Tibo.
Let us stay in my house.
Oh,
we are still here.
Wait for me. Let me. Wait for me.
Yes.
Here is my problem.
Excuse me. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Please, I'm looking for Mazuza's compound.
Mazuzo.
Yes.
Is there a problem?
Oh, no. Not at all. I'm from this village. My name is Madu. And there's a daughter of his that I admire so much. I want to get married to her. That's what I'm looking for, the father.
Oh, Omasiri.
How do you know that? Omasiri, that's her name.
Yeah.
You know her?
Of course, I do.
Oh, I see.
Okay. You walk down straight.
Okay.
And you see the first building on your left.
Okay.
That's Mazi Uzo's house. You see mango tree in front and then behind.
Okay.
Yeah, but the most important thing to note is the first building by the left.
I see.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right.
The left, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Left.
Good.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, I wish you all the best of luck.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Sit down, my Oh, Master, my daughter. Yeah, so let me go straight to the business of the day. I actually called you out here to have a word with you. The reason is not far-fetched. You see, that young man that just left, he was actually here to ask for your hand in marriage. And from all I gathered, he is well-to-do. He has money, and he can take good care of you, and maybe continue from where I will stop. And look after you, okay?
Papa, I don't understand what you are talking about. How can you be giving my hand out in marriage when I'm still in secondary school? Besides, I have an exam coming up. I'm not interested in it.
My dear daughter, Master, of course I know all that, especially with those details. I know all that. You see, in this part of country we come from, some even allow their children get married, their daughters get married in primary school. So, we are now a grown-up.
See, Papa, marriage is the last thing on my mind, though.
I have my own life to live now. I want to further my education like my mates. No, not to be pushed into any marriage.
You will further your education to the last point you wish. The young man has even promised that. He told me personally that he will send you to the university of your own choice.
I'm not interested. I'm not interested.
You better become interested or make sure you are interested. Because I am your father and I know the best thing for you. Huh? What I see sitting down here, stand up. Get to the height of Hiroko, you won't see anything. Alright? So my decision here is final. You will have to marry him for your own good. You may not realize all that I am seeing now, but with time, you will enjoy it. Okay? Okay, dear. Take it easy. And we will make provisions for all that you think you need.
I knew it would come. But I never knew it would come so early.
What are you talking about?
Sit down. There is no parent that will let such an opportunity to pass them by. From the information I gathered, he is one of the richest men in this village. And whoever he picks as a wife, they are made. Ego. I am sorry to disappoint everyone, including you.
Because I'm taking already.
Who took you?
Biadi, of course, now.
Oh, Biadi, of course. That one that cannot even boast of 2,000 naira.
Leave him like that. I like him like that. Leave him.
Hey, you are my good friend. Take my advice and come out from this poverty. Very beautiful. Allow me to finish. Let me advise you. Hey, don't be.
Hey, you know what? I think I have overstayed my welcome. Have a nice day.
Hey, give him a chance, oh. Give him a chance. Don't know. Oh.
Yes, good day.
Papa, is Obiadi inside?
I knew it. I knew it's my son you are here for. Sometimes I wonder what he sees in you.
I don't understand.
How will you understand? Go and ask your father to explain it to you, and I'm sure he will. And look, you had better stop coming to this place. Whatever my son had with you is ended. I don't want to see you in this compound again. Leave.
Papa, you cannot say this to me. Obiadi and I have come a long way for you to be saying this to me now.
I don't want to repeat myself. Leave this compound this minute. Leave! Do I make myself clear? Leave! Hey! I can't just believe this is what my son is dying now. I'm not okay. Maybe they are fine.
What is wrong?
You're talking to yourself. Take Ogesidemu. How can all be well?
Papa, what is it?
When she cannot stop coming to this place to look for you.
Which she?
After her father's warning. Who's each other she if not a she?
Oma.
Oma.
Oma Siri was here?
She left here not quite long.
She just left?
Where are you going to?
Mama, I'm coming.
Come back here.
Mama, I'm coming.
Yeah, come back here.
Mama, I'm coming.
Hey. Oh, Masile, you're going once in Ajali. Hey. No matter the charm, that charm must be broken. Look at look. And then go carry a corner also. Hey.
Look, I'm sorry for what my father said to you. Don't take it to heart.
Look, I think he doesn't want to see us together anymore. He even wants me to stop coming to look for you. I actually don't think that we're meant to be together.
Oma, how can you say such a thing? I love you.
I'm sorry, I have to go.
Oma siri le 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 le. Oma siri le 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 oh. Asim gi chetakwa. Chetakwa o chetakwa. Asim gi chetakwa. Chetakwa o chetakwa. Biko no chetakwa. Chetakwa o chetakwa. Asim gi chetakwa. Chetakwa o chetakwa. Love me harapuna mo. Obi mo harapuna mo. Asim gi chetakwa. Chetakwa o chetakwa. Asim gi.
Onye nke mo arapuna mo. Love me because arapuna mo. Nke mo. Nke mo. Nke mo. Don't let me go. Remember all the promises we made. Could you recall all the promises of a better life?
Hello.
Please, I beg you, stop following me.
You and
I can see you're going towards the market. Why don't you come in so I take you there?
I don't need your assistance, I'm sorry.
See, listen to me. Hello, listen to me. You see, I don't like to see beautiful girls walking under the sun. It's not comfortable. Okay? So the point I'm trying to make is why don't you come in my car and then I'll take you to where you're going to right now.
Stop begging me. Because it will not change anything.
Okay, you know what? Never mind about not getting the car or whatever. See, I just want us to have a talk. Hold on. Don't be in a hurry. I really want to talk to you, okay? It's not about you getting in my car or me taking you to the market. If you don't want that, fine. But the point I'm trying to make is I want to have a talk with you. So the only way we can do that is when you come sit here so we can talk.
I don't want to sound rude. I don't want to sound rude. There is nothing you say to me now that would make me do that which you are asking of me. Okay?
She must be out of her mind for turning down my fine, wealthy brother. How could she? Is she out of her mind?
Nkechi, don't bother yourself with these things, okay? She will accept me with time.
When, brother? When? Anyways, I don't blame her. It's you I blame for stooping so low for a village girl when there are classy fine girls in the city of Lagos.
Thank you very much. Listen to me. If I wanted the so-called classy city girls, I would have gone for one. You don't need to remind me. Ah, Nkechi.
Mama, you're not saying anything. No.
What would you have me say? He has made up his mind. Obviously, there is nothing anyone can say or do to change his mind. What see? What is important to me now? What is important to me is for him to get married and give me grandchildren. Oh, we go.
Well, actually, I thought you came back to make things easier for me. I'm shocked that you came to quarrel with me over this issue. Eh, Nkechi? Eh?
I'm sorry, brother. It's not the way you see it. Just that I'm not happy that a secondary school girl, a village girl for that matter, is turning down my brother.
I'm surprised that you are bothering yourself over such issues. Eh? Okay, so because she's a village girl and your brother is a rich city guy, she should just jump at my offer. Eh? No. Have you seen any girl, any good girl that will jump at such offer from a rich man at the first time? Eh? She should just, because I'm rich, she should just jump and accept my offer. Eh? Don't you know that she'll make her small shakara first before she wants to agree, then she'll agree eventually. Eh? Is it not how you girls do it? Or tell me that you don't know now. Eh?
Well, I understand, brother. I'll do my best to see that she accepts your proposal.
When you're talking, that's why you should be talking. Instead of trying to discourage me from getting married to you.
Yeah, anything for my brother. You know I love you, brother.
I know you do. I know you want the best for me, eh? Don't worry. My choice is the best for me and for this family, okay? Okay. Something that Mama assigned already, just drop it as a light and still. My French means I go and get me water, I did it. Before you smile and see.
Oh, John, you don't shine me that.
Shine your teeth and see if you'll be the real partner that drinks with us. Eh?
Amaka, the reason I invited you is just so you know my brother is interested in your friend, Omasiri. Like, he's really interested in her.
I know that already.
Good. So, what effort have you made in ensuring that she accepts his proposal?
I have virtually done everything, but she wouldn't accept it. All she says is that she's not interested. Because of that good for nothing she's having an affair with.
And who is she having an affair
with?
Obiadi. Ebere, do you know the person?
Of course I know him. He's Mazi. He's the son of Mazi Udenze. We all are in the same class.
Obiadi. That old man that refused to go to school when his mates were going.
Exactly the point.
Oh. Oh.
Good day, young man.
Good day. Who are you and how can I help you?
Well, I don't think it's necessary or important for you to know who I am. The most important thing is I am here to give you an offer. Yes. An offer I know you will not reject, considering the trench that you live in. Yes. Nkechi, please let me have the envelope.
Okay.
Young man. In this envelope is the sum of 100,000 naira. I can increase it to 500 or even 1 million. There is no problem, right?
Yes, brother.
Good. On one condition, anyway. I hope you understand. I want you to stay clear from that girl named Omasiri. She's my girl. Yes. I am planning to get married to her. Not only that, I'm also planning to take her far, far away from this village, where touts like you will never set eyes on her again. So, today's your lucky day. There you go.
Look, I don't know who you are and I don't want to know. Take your stinking money and get out of my compound right now. My love for Masiri is not for sale. I'm sorry. Get out! Get out of here!
Obiadi or whatever you're called, just take this money and move on with your life. At least now that it's not late.
Both of you have overstayed your welcome. Take your stinking money and leave.
We'll leave. Don't worry. We didn't even plan to stay long before.
Oh, no.
We never plan to stay long, okay? But let me tell you something before I go. You see, this offer is still available for a while. If you change your mind, please let me know.
Out of my compound now before I make you regret it. Get out!
We shall see. Please keep it. We shall see. Who's the toughest guy?
You, brother.
Good. There you go. Up there.
Papa, what have you just done? What have you just done, Obiadi?
I don't understand your question.
How could you turn down 100,000 naira, which he wanted to make 500, even 1 million naira, because of that thing?
Papa!
Hey! Obiadi, Ijukwanyagi, the money you could have used to better your life, not only that, possibly renovate this house, you turn it down.
Papa.
Bia. Chukya. Go after him. Make sure you collect the money before he changes his mind.
I can't believe you say.
So what do you expect me to say? Before they move, you better you run down to them. Go and collect this money before he changes his mind. Don't say I did not tell you. What type of something is that? I tell you sugar no fear. Okay, sir.
Omalicha. Mama. Asanje Jemba. You are the one that will take me to America. America and Makia. You will be the one that will take me to America. Oh, yo. My daughter, I want us to talk like mother and daughter. What I want to discuss with you today, I have never discussed it with you before. I want to talk to you like a child. I have hurt you in my words and actions, maltreated you in any way. I just wanted to get lost. Since they took away my son, I have not been able to conceive again. And you, my stepmother, is the only child I have now. So I can't allow you to get spoiled.
It's okay, Mama. I've forgiven you. I hold nothing against you again.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you. Oh, hi. Oh. Back to what I called you. The reason I called for this meeting. It's about... Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine, Mama.
You're fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
It's about that young man that was coming for your hand in marriage. Mother Buchi, no. Mother Buchi is so mad. He is a reliable man. A man we all can rely on. He will take care of you. He's dependable. He will take care of you, your father, and even me. He will carry the burden of this family on his shoulder and still stand strong. Please, I want you to accept his hand in marriage. If for nothing, for my sake. For sake of I have suffered so much in my life. Please accept his hand because let him marry you and rescue us from this poverty.
I really wish I can do this one favor you're asking of me. I really wish I can do it.
Omacha, you can do it. You can do even more. Please. You can. One that you can.
Mama.
Mama,
there is something you need to see right.
What is that?
Why not come with me?
Come with
me and see things.
At this moment, no, that I'm having heart-to-heart talk with what I hear. Terrible.
I can't thank you enough for everything, Obiade. Thank you once again.
You're welcome.
Hey, just go down. Just look at. See what Obiade is doing. And yet he will pretend as if he loves you. Hey! This guy is a chronic womanizer.
Please, can you help me put on my zip, please?
Why not? Of course.
Hey! Men can deceive for Africa.
Yes.
Yet he will come and pretend as if he loves you. Hey!
Yes. It's done. It's done. It's done.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I have to be on my way now.
Please be safe.
Can I have a hug, please?
Sure.
God forbid. Hey! Men can lie for Africa. Hey!
Alright, I must be on my way now.
Take care of yourself.
Alright,
wait.
Bye.
You didn't tell me your name.
Oh, my name is Epitos.
Please take care.
Alright. Circumstance, it never waited. No matter what the obstacles, it never stops. Endless love.
I told you he doesn't love you, but you wouldn't believe me. It's obvious he just had carnal knowledge of that girl. I overheard him telling her that when he makes small money, Obelego, he will come and see her.
Enough! I don't want to hear it anymore. So, Obiadi, after everything we shared, this is how he wants to pay me back. No wonder. He has refused to touch me because he's getting satisfaction from another girl.
Hey! Can you imagine? Please stop crying. Obviously he has moved on. Please, do the same too. Biko, accept Mother Buchi so that he will take you out from this village to the city. Hey! Biko, I don't even know why you are crying because of me. I am your friend. I want to save you. I can't. I still can't believe Obiade is seeing another woman. Masiri, how could you be fooled into taking an oath with a man who doesn't stick to one woman? I am sure this is the reason he has been avoiding me lately. What am I going to do now? Omasiri, how can this be happening to you at this time?
Endless love.
Okay, so like the copper says, say from worst to powerful, you understand? So if you don't have to make any mistake with it, you understand? If you make mistakes with it, then you are going to fail our exam. And you know what the copper says, they always will.
I've been looking for you all over. I've been looking all over for you. It's break time. Come, let me go and buy you something.
I'm not interested.
I'm sponsoring today's...
I am not interested. Please, let me be.
Mama, is there any problem?
There is no problem.
Who pissed you off?
Nobody.
Mama, how can you say you're not interested? Come, let's go buy you something. There's money today. Obiade has a little change.
You can hear that.
We went to do some, some labor.
Please, I am not interested. Oh, go.
Are you sure?
I am sure. Please, let me be. Please.
All right.
And go.
See, there's money. Oh.
I am not interested. You should go.
In case you change your mind, meet me at the canteen.
Yeah.
Huh?
Not interested. Go.
Don't even come so that our money will.
What are you talking about? Don't mind him. Baby, I'm waiting for you there.
Are you sure? She's okay. Like she said, she's fine. Continue. Rest the power. 3, 4.
On your mommy, Mary Maram, I won't charam me, a rapulamo.
I thought you would wait for me.
Why should I?
Oma, what is wrong? I just wanted to find out why you were not concentrating in class. I noticed you were not in a good mood.
Oma, Biko, come, let's go. Come.
Your problem. I was talking to her.
And please say what you want to say so that we can go.
Oma, why are you talking to me like this? Look, if there's any problem, tell me. We can solve it. Whatever it is.
Look, it is obvious that you have nothing to say. Eh?
Oma.
Yes, please, let's
Oma.
go.
Brother, we needed to see the way she walked out of here.
Are you serious?
I'm being serious, brother. Brother, I think things are getting strong between them.
Exactly. Brother, this is your time to show her love and possess her. You know, any girl in this kind of situation will not hesitate to fall into the arms of another man. Especially when he's nice to her.
Do you think this will work?
Of course. I'm a woman, you know. I know how these things work. It will work.
Mama. Amaricham. Hey. Why haven't you touched your food?
I'm not hungry, no.
Hey, Mom, don't sound like this. You have not eaten since morning, and now you are telling me you are not hungry. You ought to be hungry.
I'm fine, I'm fine.
Is anything wrong with you?
No.
Hey.
Peace be unto this house.
Madam, welcome. Nah, it is good that you are here now. Now, please help me ask Oma why she has refused to eat her food.
Mercy, my love, have you refused to eat your food?
I'm not your love. You don't call me that.
Ezoko, if it is me, I will say yes. If I were younger, I will accept this offer of marriage. Who doesn't want to eat good thing?
Mama, don't mind her. No? Don't mind her. I will handle it, okay? Okay, tell me, why don't you want to eat?
I said I'm fine. I'm fine.
You're fine. You don't look fine to me anyway.
She's not fine. She's not fine at all. You're not fine.
Oh, okay. Let's take the food aside. Why don't you go for sightseeing? Let's have a stroll. Let's drive around. Believe me, you need it. It will elevate your spirit, and it will, take your mind off this unhappy state you find yourself. Because a girl like you deserves more than this. You deserve to be loved. And you know I'm a loving guy, so why don't you
Oma. I wish it was you. I wish I would just say yes. Oma, take it. Hey.
Why don't you? I hope you like it out here.
Yes, it's very calm and quiet. How did you know a place like this exists in this village?
Hey, come on. I'm from this village, remember? Have you forgotten?
Yes, that's true. Tell me more about yourself.
What is it you want to know about me?
Anything.
Anything? Okay. Oh, well, I am from this village. I was born here, and I actually grew up here in the village too. Then I moved to the city in search of greener pastures. Then, my hustle took me to Europe, where I worked hard and I made some money for myself. Then I decided to come back home in search of a woman I'll get married to.
That's nice.
Thank you. So tell me, I would like to know more about you too.
There is really nothing much to know about me. My name is Omasiri.
Okay.
I was born and raised in this village. Although my mother died when I was 10 years old.
Oh.
And since then, I've learned to take full responsibility of every step I take.
See. Sorry about your mother.
It's okay.
Sorry. So aside from schooling, what else do you do? What else do you like doing?
I was looking at starting up a business.
Okay.
To cater for my daily needs. But the money to start it is not there. So I'm waiting on God.
I understand. But not to worry, okay? Don't worry, I'm here now. And I promise you everything will be fine.
Okay.
Okay?
There's something that's been bothering me. You see that new biology copper? That woman that girl will be doing, whether she's a girl or a woman, I don't even know. Will be doing as if she knows too much. We know as if
she loves to rub pancake.
All I think she did plastic surgery because she's just too big.
And then pimples everywhere.
She's not ready to be a copper. Same for beauty pageant.
See.
What do you mean? You cannot be my Omasiri.
That's Omasiri.
You cannot do such a thing.
That's Omasiri. Look. What is
Masiri cannot be inside somebody's car. She doesn't do like that. She can't do such a thing.
That's her! Stand up. Look. See her hair. Her fair hair. Black
That's not
face.
Masiri. That's not Masiri.
That's her!
Oh, Masiri! Come down from this car! Come down! Hey! Please come down! Come down from this car! Come down! Come down from... You want to jump him? You want to hit me? Huh? Oh, Masiri! Come down! What is my woman doing in your car?
Young man, why are you pressing my way?
What is my woman doing in your car?
Yes.
Huh? Answer. Are you a cabman? Are you kabu-kabu? Are you running kabu-kabu in my village? What is my woman doing inside of a car? Yes.
Can you imagine? Oh, now I know that you're not just a good for nothing, but also a lunatic. Come on, get out of my way.
Say whatever you want. I don't care. I don't even have your time. Okay? Amasiri, come down from the car.
As your what?
As my woman!
Yes! Which woman?
You don't know we are area boys?
Amasiri, come down! Amasiri, come down from the car! Come down from this car!
I'm no longer your woman, not Biadi.
What?
You heard all right.
What?
I stopped being your woman the very minute I saw you cheating on me with that thing that I cannot even describe.
You heard right. She's no longer your woman.
What are you talking about?
Obiadi cheated.
Zeta, what is she talking about?
I don't know.
Listen, if you don't leave this place, I will tell him to crush you, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Amasiri!
Okay, listen to me. Before I count to 3, leave my way. 1, 2, ma! You will not tell your lunatic friend to leave the way right now.
We will not leave.
Okay, beautiful. Stand there. Just wait.
Am I dreaming?
Wait.
Is that my Amasiri?
It's like you're dreaming, no? Is that my Amasiri? You will not do anything.
Come down! Amasiri!
Leave that. You see this man? I will show this man that we are area boys. He doesn't know us. He doesn't know.
Cheta, wait. I think I'm dreaming. I'm dreaming. This is a dream. It cannot be real. It cannot be real. You know what you do now? Slap me! Wipe me a strong slap. I need to wake up. This is a dream. Slap me! Slap me!
You mean it like
yes!
I should give you a slap?
Yes! I'm dreaming! How can my woman be in another man's car? This is a dream!
If I slap you now, Obiadi, I know you. You still want to slap me back.
It's a dream.
You slap me back.
I can't slap you. Let's just go back to where we were. Let's go back. It's a dream. I can't.
I wonder who wrote this script that Masiri is acting on. Because this thing is like a movie to me. I can't believe that she will leave Obiadi after everything they've been through together. After everything.
Life happens. I knew it would come to this. I saw it coming and I told him, but he wouldn't listen.
They even took an oath. Yes, Papa. They took an oath never to part ways. Yes, both of them. They had an oath together.
What oath are you talking about?
Yes. Papa, blood oath, of course. Blood oath.
What?
Papa, they took an oath. Blood.
You took a blood oath with a girl and you did not tell me.
Huh? But she initiated the idea. I was only blinded by love.
What stupid love are you talking about? Blood oath has a very grievous consequence if you don't know. Know it now. Blood.
Yes, Papa. Exactly what I told him that these things come with consequences, grievous consequences. But he went ahead and took the oath. Just look at it. Papa,
I trusted you.
Hey! You regret it. You regret it's always
Please don't let me go.
Aseremua. Hey, that's my daughter. You are really happy. Yeah. Hey, boy, himself.
Good, sir.
Finally, you both are back.
Yes, we're back. You're back.
You had some fun, I guess.
Sure. You can say that again.
Yeah. I was wondering what kept you people like all this while. I can see written all over you enjoyment. Yes.
Madam is not as bad as
Didn't I tell you? I know. You now agree with me. Yeah, well, I am very, very happy that at the end of the day, both of you have come to terms.
Yes.
That's the most important thing, the bottom line, be happy.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's your luck. God has given you.
Thank you, sir.
So enjoy it. Nemo, you enjoyed it, Abby?
Like you rightly said, Papa. Anyway,
yes.
Papa, like you rightly said, we have come to terms. Better still, the few times we used in driving around, we used it to study ourselves.
I know.
And now I can tell you categorically that we understand ourselves better.
Yes.
You have not seen the nice part of my daughter. You will enjoy her.
I can't wait.
Yes, so.
Thank you.
It's all right, and I hope he touched you around the areas you want.
Papa, I beg to take my leave now.
So soon.
Yes. Amasiri, I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
I hope you are not asking you want to take
no,
her again.
no, not at all.
Because we have something to talk about.
Okay.
I know where to visit you. I'll bring all of them. I'll bring the change for a later day. All right, thank you. You want to keep for your daddy?
All right, Papa. Let me be on my way.
Working out now. Okay.
Thanure very much.
Drive carefully.
Sure, I will.
Bye. Yes. We have a share. I will see. I saw this podcast. Okay, bye. Bye. Carefully. This is even the measure of the kickback. I don't know. You can decide to have.
You see, son, there is a whole lot about love you do not know about, even at your age. When I was about your age, I was as handsome as you, with so many girls around me. Yet, I was confused of the girl to settle for. Yet, I finally settled for your mother, who was not even in the original picture of the woman I wanted for a wife. You see, Omasiri may have jilted you, but I assure you that your wife will find you to advise you to jealous.
Cheer up. Papa, I cannot think straight right now. I've been stabbed by the woman I loved with everything inside of me. All of me, Papa.
My son, such is life. And when something of this nature happens, you don't need to blame yourself. Let posterity judge.
To think that I even consented to taking that oath with her drives me crazier.
My son, since she initiated it as you said, and now she broke it, the consequences will be on her. So, cheer up.
Yes.
Don't let anything bother you.
Exactly. She broke the oath. The consequences will be on her. It will be on her, I know. It must be on her. It will be on her. Cheer up, bro. Cheer up. Everything will be alright. It's not your fault. She broke it. She broke it.
Is this your house?
Do you like it?
Oh, yes, of course. It's very beautiful.
Yes, it is. Why don't we go inside so you see everything on it? Huh?
Yes.
Shall we?
What about our luggage?
Never mind. My gate man will take care of that. Those man, have the keys, eh? Okay. Yeah. Wow. You're welcome.
Wow. This is very beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Do you live here alone?
Of course, I live here alone, but sometimes my sister comes around.
Okay.
Yes. I hope you like what you're saying. Thank you. Okay. I suggest you go upstairs, freshen up so I can take you off with dinner.
Okay. Show me my room.
Sure. Just do it straight. Yeah. That's nice.
Okay?
Yes, it is. It's actually ours. Yes. We are going to stay here together, so whatever belongs to me also belongs to you.
Yes, that's true. So, can you go to your room now so that you can shower and change it?
On the contrary, we'll be staying here together, so whatever you feel like doing, just feel comfortable to do it, okay? I don't have to go out of the room. This is our master's bedroom.
No, I can't stay with you. I'm sorry.
Why?
It's personal. Besides, we are not married yet.
But we'll soon be married, so...
Wait till then.
Mama. I understand how you feel, okay? But let me reassure you. I promise you, I will not attempt anything contrary, okay? I want you to be comfortable. Okay? Why are you not sleeping?
I think I know better.
How?
You know, I've never slept on the same bed with a man before.
Mama, you have to rest, okay? Please. But I'm not just any man, but your soon-to-be husband.
I know.
Mama, please, you need to rest, okay? You just have to rest. Because after the long, stressful trip from the village.
Am I complaining? Am I?
It's okay. Whatever you want to do. If you feel like staying awake, fine. Do whatever suits you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you too.
And good night.
And good night too.
fresh. And I'm very certain she will be succulent too. I can't wait to have her. Maybe I should just do it now.
What are you trying to do to me? Is this why you asked me to come to your house?
Oh, no. Come on, it's not what.
Hey, I should have known better. I should have followed my instinct, and my instinct told me. You know what? You can have the room, eh? Sleep here.
Oma!
I should have known that you are a rapist. If I didn't wake up now, you would have taken my pride of womanhood. You started like not giving to Obi as a man like you.
I'm sorry. Please, I don't know what came over me, okay? It's not in my character.
There is
I'm
nothing
sorry.
to be sorry about when the deed has been done. Please, I am begging for good, and please don't try to stop me.
Hey, see, what deed has been done? What did I do? I'm just trying to explain to you, please. Okay, let me explain. What's that? Yeah, good, what is it?
I find that. You see, find that. He did it. You see, they find it. But let me wait. I continue on that first. I will let me.
Obi what?
Say now. Obi Adi. Until tell me something.
That bastard.
Alan, come say.
Let the bastard in.
Obi Adi is not a bastard. He is more honorable a man than you. At least he's not a rapist. You slapped me!
And I will slap you again if you don't choose your words carefully.
Leave me alone! Oma! Okay! Oma, come outside! Okay, I'm sorry! Reno! Get out of my way! Reno! Okay? Hey! Oma! Oga! You don't look okay. Did he hurt you? Huh? Hey! Hey! Oga! Hey! Never. She belongs to me. Oma is mine! She's my woman! I said, take your hands off her! I'll blow your brains off! Blow my brains off! Hey. Look at me! Me, Obi, I am ready to die for love! Shoot me!
No, you can't die! Let him kill me! What? Because of all this!
Oma Siri, get out of my way, you're not the target.
No, kill me!
Oma.
Kill me!
Oma, let me deal with him!
No!
Let him shoot me!
No.
I'm the one you want! Shoot me!
I said get out of my way, you're not the target.
Oma.
Before the count of 3.
Oma.
1,
Oma.
2.
Just stop.
Oma Siri le oh. Oma Siri le oh.
So it was a dream.
That will be over my dead body. Did you hear that, Omasari? How can you suddenly decided to drop the marriage for a mere dream, ordinary dream you had? According to you, that he attempted to rape you, not that he actually did. Even if he did, because of that, you want to come. You are not
Papa, people listen to me. My dreams are always real. That could be a very strong revelation, eh? I don't want to joke with it. Please, me, I'll not continue.
You shut up. You must continue. You must continue. Finish here. Fool. You want to drag my name to the mud, is it not? Huh? Whatever you are thinking, Mother Abuchi wants to marry you. It's not possible.
Because now, take it easy with her. She's nothing but a child. I don't even understand what she's doing. Because,
what nonsense is she talking about? Huh? She's looking for one to disgrace. You cannot drag my name to the mud.
It's okay.
You must continue the marriage with the Mother Abuchi, whether you like it or not.
Can I have a word with you in private?
All right, after you. Be thinking.
It's okay, man.
No, let her think.
Okay.
I will take that.
Nine.
Yes.
There's this adage that says that when a fly perches at your courtroom, you hit it with care.
Yeah, yes.
Or if possible, you don't hit it at all. So you don't end up hurting yourself.
Oh. I agree with you.
So, I want us to pet, pamper Omasele into believing that all she had was just a mere dream and nothing more. So that this girl will not end up ruining things for us.
Make yourself clearer, Mama. I don't understand you very well.
What I mean in here is, I want you to limit the way you sound so aggressively to her. You stop shouting and, compelling her to do that. I want you to calm down. As a matter of fact, I want you to leave this case. Let me handle it woman to woman. Mother to child. I can do it.
Okay. You better know what you are talking about. Handle it very well, carefully.
Of course.
Because I will kill that girl with my bare hands.
If
anything will make that young man not to marry her.
I want the man to marry her. All my hope is there.
Already, I have made him my choice. Be mindful of that.
Same here.
Okay.
I don't want any other alternative.
I have had you do it your own way.
Thank you. Do you know how beautiful you are that we called you Omasele? That was the name your mother gave to you. Because you were like a class. Smile for your mother. Remember, you don't have to talk to your father like that.
Let me leave my own too.
Mama. Nene, you don't talk to your father like that. He is still your father no matter what. See, let me tell you, everything your father is doing and saying is just to make sure that you have everything good in your life. You have every situation of your life and some good. He is still your father. Any day, anytime, under any circumstances, he is your father. See, Umalecha, what I am trying to make you understand here is, if you cancel this marriage plan because of the mere dream you had, not only will you drag the name of this family to the mud, you are allowing the whole villagers to make a mockery of our name. That is what I am saying. And I know that you, my daughter, will not allow this to happen. I know. Nene, Mama, I want the house you enter that will make this your color to keep radiating like the light. Okay, Mama, you will become more beautiful. And then we, your parents, will live long for you. Obria, to see that. Tell me you think about it. You will think it's one. Oh, Marichan. Oh, Mamma. Make it look at your color. I don't want who will put you under the sun and will change this beautiful color. I want where you will be. Your colors will be radiating and shining every day. Eh? Oh, yeah? You can give more than enough. Oh, Mama. Mama. Love me, love me, love me. Arabona mo, love me. On your mommy.
A place I can confidently call my love, but the only man that has ever truly loved me, the only man I can tell how much he means to me. The only man that knows when I am worried about something and how to console me. Now, I am going into the hands of another man without his consent. Beatty, I just hope another woman will love you like I did.
Oh, my Siri, oh, my Siri, oh. I sing it, Chetaqua, oh, Chetaqua. Bikono, oh, Chetaqua, oh, Chetaqua, oh. Love me, because Rapunamo, don't let me go. Remember all the promises we made. Could you recall all the prophecies of a better life? Forever, you and I, together. Blood is thicker than water. This love is forever. Come on, oh, come on.
Oma, wait. Oma.
Don't let me go.
What we're about to do is not the main event. The main event will soon take place and will be announced later. All we've assembled here to do is to give our blessings to Mother and our daughter. And can you summon our daughter?
Yes. Hey. I'm asleep, Mama. I'm asleep. Hey, she'll be here now. She'll be here now. Normally,
Cheta, what is it? Who is after you? Huh?
Obiadi,
what is it? Who is after you?
See, if I tell you what is going on now, you will wish that this day never come. I'm telling you.
What is going on now? Tell me.
See, as I speak to you now, you know that man? What's his name? What's he called? Madrabuchi or whatever he's called.
Yes?
As I speak to you now, he's currently in your woman's house. He's paying her bride price now.
That's a lie. You're lying.
I am not lying. How can I be lying with the matter as serious as that?
What?
It's happening now. You can come and see for yourself. I'm lying. I'm not lying.
This is not a joke.
It's not a joke. It's not a joke. You know what?
Okay.
You're running too fast.
Okay.
That's for me.
Okay.
Where's?
When you eat and eat and with no mercy.
They will give us sons and daughters.
Yes, so.
He said.
This is endless love.
He said.
Going through time. Will you marry me? I'm gonna marry you. I want to marry you. Marry you.
Oh, my Siri!
He said.
Oh, my Siri! Oh, my Siri! What is going on here? What is going on here?
Take this thing out.
We shall be well with you.
He said.
Anybody who is digging a grave for you shall enter that same grave and will cover it.
He said.
Forget the charlatan who is talking. He will never get close to you.
He said.
Endless love. This is endless love.
So, Oma is gone. Oma Sirimi is gone. So there's no one to call my love again. There's no one to call sweet names again. There's no one to love me again. Oma, why? Why did you do this to me? Did you do this to us? We made a promise to each other. We promised that we'll be together forever. We promised each other. How could you, Oma? Because of money. You followed another man. Because of money. Makego. Ha! Gods of our land. Gods of our land. I call upon you. Seeing my broken heart, seeing the tears in my eyes, I call upon you. Fight for me! Pay them back in their own coins. Especially that fool that snatched my woman away from me and destroyed my heart. Pay them back. She promised never to leave me. You took an oath. We took an oath together. And we promised never to leave each other. And now she has left because of money. Okay, go.
I sing it, Chetapa, oh Chetapa, Bikono, oh Chetapa, oh Chetapa, oh. Onyenkebo, Arapunamo, love me, because Arapunamo, Nkemo, don't let me go. Remember all the promises we made. Could you recall all the prophecies of a better life? Forever, you and I together. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Oh, my sirele, le, oh. Oh, my sirele, le, oh. Don't let me go. Please don't let me go.
Mama, as you already know, first thing tomorrow morning, I'll be traveling back to Lagos with my wife.
Of course I know. I know myself.
So, Mama, I want you to take very good care of yourself and take care of your baby too.
I'll take care of her. I'll take care of her. No. Take care of your wife. Sure. And take proper care of yourself. Okay, I'll take care of myself.
Oh. Anna, what about me? Who will take care of me?
I'll take it.
But you're a big girl now. Oh. You can take care of yourself.
Yeah. But that's a lie.
Eh. Yes, you know, who's my younger sister? Always my younger sister.
Okay.
So I understand your language, I will take care of you.
Hey, that's more like
brother, brother, I have something to say. You have to drop something for me now, the last born now. After all, since you people came back, you go, hey, better this, hey, better that, do this, do that. If you are going back to the city, make sure you carry along with you because I'm tired of her message.
Look at this one.
You're tired of her leg.
Don't worry, Mama will take care of you, okay?
I trust you now.
I understand your language. I'll take care of you.
That's more like it.
Come in and sleep, my son. Staying awake or crying from now till tomorrow cannot change anything. Like I told you before, there are other beautiful girls in this village you can marry for. Please, come inside and sleep.
Papa, don't worry about me. You can go in and sleep. I'll be fine.
But you've been sitting here all day. You have refused to take water, let alone food. Please come inside.
I'm not hungry. I don't want to eat. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry.
That's all right. Please, I know you're not hungry, but come inside.
Papa, I'm fine.
It's already late.
I'm fine, Papa. I'm okay. Let me here.
Come in.
Papa, Papa, I'm fine here, please. Just go inside and sleep.
How can I sleep while you're still here? Hey! Come, let's go. Come, just come inside and sleep. It's already late. Please, come inside.
Don't let go.
Amaka! Mama! Amaka! Who is this house? Hey, Amaka! Hey! Oh my, it's you!
So I'm set to leave for the city with my husband, so I said let me come and inform you before I go. And also to thank you for all your support over these years. Oh, thank you.
Oh ma, you don't have to thank me. Everything I did it for our friendship.
Thank you once again. You know, I wanted to go and pay Obiade a last respect by going to inform him that I'm going to the city with my husband. Obiade.
Do you really need to do that?
Yes, if not, my conscience will not let me. Even though he misbehaved, he still remains the first and only man I've ever truly loved. Understand?
I understand. Love wanting.
Okay, now, so help me tell him and tell me that I left for the city.
No problem. I will give him
my friend.
So don't forget me when you get to
No.
Hey, wait, oh my.
Okay, bye.
Hey, every no problem, I will. So finally, Omezola, my friend, Oma, traveling to the city. Hey, God, I thank you. I will come and join you. I will come and visit you later. No problem. So, visiting now, I heard that it's a very big place. So,
don't worry, by the time you get to the city, you'll like it. It's like heaven.
You know, the roads are very fine.
Of course, these are tarred roads. Not like the roads of the village sometimes, you know. So by the time we get to the city, I'm going to take you to the mall. I'll take you places. You get to enjoy yourself and all that.
Yes. I cannot wait though. Hey, look. Wait.
Hey, see this fine man and this woman now. She just die like this. Hey.
What happened? What happened to us? What happened? You wake up now, let's continue. We were going to the city,
Jack, may their soul rest in peace.
So, it's your own soul that will rest in peace. What happened? You wake up now, let's go back to the city. We were going to the city, Your face looks familiar. I think I know them.
Young lady, calm down. For they cannot hear nor see you.
Why?
That's because you are dead.
We were going to the city just now. What happened? You wake up now, let's go to the city.
You say waiting.
I wasn't talking to you.
And who are you talking to?
Who are you talking to now?
I will tell you. But first of all, you need to go and stop that young man Obiade from taking his own life. That young man loved you genuinely. But what did you do? You failed him. You failed him even after you agreed to take an oath with him.
Hold on. How did you know all this? Who are you? You can see me.
It is very clear and obvious to me that you do nothing.
No, wait.
Where you they go now?
Wait.
So don't mad though.
What do you want to do? You know them before.
It's cool for you. As for me, I know you. I'm not involved in it.
No, Mona not talk like that now.
Wait. Who are you? Knowing me is not as important as saving the life of a man. But I shall tell you who I am for the records. My name is Ekanem, a girl who was wrongfully accused of stealing and then later stoned to death. Since then, her spirit has not rested until vengeance got her.
Yeah, sorry, And for me,
Don't worry about that. But I already know who you are.
How do you know me? And moreover, I was wondering, how come you can see me and others cannot see me?
That is a mystery beyond your comprehension. Maybe with time, you will learn more. For now, follow me. There is someone you must see now.
Obiade, this is not happening. Obiade, how can you? No. Obiade. Why? Obiade, please now, please don't die. Obiade, please. You're my best friend.
My only son. My eyes with which I see with. He's no more.
Hi. Obiade, please. Don't die like. Obiade, wake up. Jetana is here now. I'm here. Your best friend is here now. Bikono, don't do this. Wake up. Just wake up. Obiade. Hey.
Obiade, what's going on? What happened?
Obiade.
What happened to your son?
I stepped out to get something. Upon returning, I found him dead.
Yeah?
From every indication, he took this very poisonous substance.
Chai!
He drank this.
Chai! Chai! What a world we live in.
But why would he take his own life?
Obiadi killed himself because of a woman. That useless girl, Omasiri.
Omasiri again?
Yes. Obiadi drank this thing because of a woman. He died because of a woman.
Obiadi, why? Why? Obiadi, why? Why?
Don't do this to me, oh. Wake up. Oh.
Hi. Oh.
What happened to him? Tell me he's dead. I told you to hasten up so you can save him. But no, you refused. Instead, you were asking unnecessary questions. Look, he drank that and died. All because of you.
Obiadi, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything that I've caused you. I'm here now for you, my love.
It's okay, my love. I'm here now.
I'm sorry about everything I did. I'm sorry that everything did not work out the way we wanted it to. This is my friend Ekanem. She told me how my stepmom connived with my best friend Amaka alongside Madabuchi's sister Nkechi to frame that girl against you. How can I know? I did not know. I'm sorry that I did not believe you. I'm sorry.
It's okay, my love. What matters is that we are here now together. And we will continue to be together in the afterlife. Never to pathways again.
I love you, Obiadi.
I love you too. Even much more.
I just hope that my stepmother and everybody connected to this are receiving their punishment.
Don't worry about that. For they are already facing their punishment one after the other. I can take both of you there so you can see for yourselves.
That will not be necessary. What I know is that every evil person will never go unpunished.
Okay, my love.
Let me allow you both to enjoy your newfound endless love. I have an assignment to attend to. I'll see you guys around.
Thank you, Akane.
Come, Obidia. I need to take you somewhere.
Are we there yet?
You can open your eyes now.
Is this where you were bringing me to?
Yes. This is where it all started. This is where you first told me how much I mean to you and vice versa. You are such a lovely man. Before they came in between us, I couldn't ask for anyone better. I love you, Obiadi.
Oma.
Come here.
Oma Sirim. Silver and gold, I have none, and you know. But what I have, I will give you. All of it. Everything.
And what is it you want to give me?
My heart. And my love. All of it. Completely. All yours.
You're one of its kind. Come here.
Now, let's embark on this journey of love. which destiny has brought upon us.
Okay.
And it's going to be a journey of endless love.
Shall we?
Yes, we shall. One step at a time.
No more troubles.
No more sorrows.
No more problems.
No more distraction.
Will you marry me? I go marry you. I want to marry you. Marry you. I did not be more on your Murananya. Mebele Mongala. Ebo Masere Chuku Madwa Puina Ramgi. Love me.